Hey everyone, so today I want to do the unboxing of Dan Henry watch that I just got. Previously I bought the 1945 watch from Dan Henry, the black dial, and I really liked it, and my wife too. And finally Dan Henry is publishing and releasing a new version, a new watch, the 1900 watch, and I wanted to share the unboxing with you. So this is my first unboxing now, and this is the full video. I hope you like it. The box just beautiful, very premium, feeling very premium, very nice. Okay, this is the research. The quality of the strap is, like always, amazing. Just doing a close-up so that you can see the watch as well. The crown. Seeing it in person, it's much prettier. The blue marks are very beautiful. Okay, so just giving you brief specs. It's 28.5 stainless steel case. The lugs are 14 lug width and 42 lug to lug, 42.2 actually. As you can see, it's a white dial with Roman numbers, crystal, and the movement is Swiss made, quartz movement. You can see I'm trying to do as much as close up as possible, so that you can see the watch from every place. So this is the white watch, and we also bought another strap. The red one. Just beautiful. See it near each other. I hope you like it, and I hope my wife like it, as I think it's beautiful. You can see here the crown, the blue crown as well. That's it. Thank you for watching.